So guys, let's start the video in the water. See, we are at the entrance, and this is something I haven't been to for years. We're at an old railway tunnel. I'm absolutely soaking, typical Valleys weather, raining, lovely. Let's get on inside and continue in there. Yeah guys, literally I'm not going to be too sure how much of this you're going to be able to make out on the GoPro, because it is pitch black. That's just with the torch on the entrance. But yeah, there's, it's a good mile long or so, so there's burnt out cars here. It's going to be pretty epic, hoping to get some good camera shots. As you can see, we've just got Kurt over there. And yeah, we're excited to get into it, to be honest. A lot of graffiti on the walls. Said it's something that's, well, yeah, it used to be a drinking hideout back in the day for people, but I don't think really a lot of people bother with it anymore since it's been fenced off. So yeah, let's get in there, guys. So yeah guys, as you can see, we're walking further on into the tunnel. It is pitch black, it's not ideal for the GoPro, I'll be honest. See, we've come across some shopping trolleys, which are pretty awesome. Look like they've been here a while, I would say. They're quick save ones, I think, the colours on them. We're excited to venture on in and see what we can find. So we're continuing on, guys. We've also found what we think would have been like the little hiding spots for when, obviously, it would have been 2 tracks in here. So you literally would have jumped in here as the old steam trains are coming past, give you a little bit of a gap, and yeah, before you get going again. But I'm not sure how much you can see. Obviously see the walls and stuff, but it's so dark in here, it's crazy. So yes guys, we've approached the first car basically, which I believe is a Mark III Fiesta, or what's left of a Mark III Fiesta. As you can see, the front is near enough quite solid, to be fair. It's not a whole lot left. Yes, Fiesta, like you can see the old VIN tag.
The old Ford badge.
The old Ford badge on there.
You can see that it would have been the generic green colour, which is quite funny.
Yeah.
Look, see?
Yeah, you can see that through there. So somebody's pride and joy one time joyrided around the valleys and brought in here to be dumped. As you can see, there's literally nothing left of the rear. That's quite crazy actually. It's literally rusted away to nothing. Got a bit of the bumper, tow wire is still there, and that's literally about it. So guys, we literally walked about 200 meters, if that, and we're into another burnt out car, which I'm guessing is another Fiesta, to be fair. Looks like it's a bit more, the panels are left. It looks like someone's jacked it up recently, to be fair. I don't know if they were trying to take stuff off the burnt out car, I'm not too sure. But yeah, this Kurt's got there, it's a bit of the original tyre. The seats are still in there, well, what's left of it burnt
glass
out.
As well.
Melted glass. So I think the Fiesta was a generic car to take at the time. It's pretty awesome to see. I'm looking forward to get some good camera shots of it. It's literally nothing left of it. It's crazy to see them like this, really. Awesome. So yeah, moving on the adventures of the pitch black place. We've literally, well, we're not halfway, but we've reached the gap from above where it is raining. Just letting some light in. It's pretty cool to see. That's why there's a bit of erosion going on by there. But yeah, I love this place. I haven't even ventured that far. That light you can see right down there in the distance, that's where we've come in. So we're not even halfway in. Right guys, so here we are. No surprise, another Fiesta. Well, what remains of it. See some of the car parts around. VIN tag still on it, and yeah, it's literally front of a car. For some reason someone's twisted it off. Use what remains of the rear of the Fiesta. Just some red paint over there, it's twisted junk basically. And yeah, let's keep on walking you through, guys. And there is an old Vauxhall Astra. So I'm not sure one's Mark IIs, I'm not sure, but it's 90s sort of style. The hood is on the floor there. Yeah, that's just this imploding on itself. Some rusty wings. And yeah, that's the front of it. Again, tag is still on it. Pretty incredible to see. So I know it's a tunnel video, but I think it's going to be turned more into a finding abandoned car video, I think. So yeah, the tunnel walk is continuing, guys, and we found a 4-door Vauxhall Nova. How many of these do you see? Not many. Doesn't even look like it's too burnt out, to be honest with you. I think it's just been dumped and stripped. You know, some of the panels now are still there. It's pretty damn awesome to see. Don't see many of these cars whatsoever. I think you want to walk up the other side as well a bit. Ring is gone. It says stripped of everything. The wheels, everything are gone on it. LX model, there we are. How about that? Obviously would have been white. There you go, no chance. That one might open with the handle. The rusted solid. Yeah. Out of all the cars in here so far, I think this is the favourite. And if we can walk you into the distance, literally for you, I know you can't see too much on the GoPro, so get Kurt to walk with me. There's another car. Literally there. Well, that's a part of a car. Parts of a car. And then there's that, which I have no idea. It looks quite similar to the Nova that's there, to be fair.
That's proper burnt out.
Burnt out, and then the cloth in there. Yeah, that's nothing left of that. Oh god, the front's not even there.
I don't think T-Cut is saving that for some reason.
No, so the front has even been twisted off on it, so I don't know if we'll find that on our walk continues, but there we go, guys. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I think we're near enough at maybe a halfway point or some marker point. There's an old structure, which is pretty awesome. Some of the old proper wrought iron, proper steel. Just look at the rivets on that and the bolts on that. Some old timber as well. So it is pretty cool. As you see, there's no tracks or nothing in here. All that is gone. It's literally just, as you can see, the stones. Yeah, that's quite a nice structure. There's nothing but running water in here. It's brilliant to see. Right, guys, we're at the end of the tunnel. As you can see, up to our feet in water. So glad we came in at the other entrance. It's been an amazing explore. It's the first time me and Kurt have done something like this together. It's a nice break from the usual sort of stuff. As you can see, I'm going to run for a fashion show because I'm styling today. Let's not go there. And yeah, we're going to wrap it up here. We're going to spend the weekend. Our location's now 2 days full, so there's going to be videos going for the next 9-10 weeks or more. Looking forward to it. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace and love as always.